Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is from my buddy Kyle. Excuse me, still coughing. This is from my buddy Kyle. I kind of remember what he's sending, kind of not. We're going to take a look together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link to my Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me at metal_complex. Alrighty. I have a cough drop in, so sorry for the mouth noises. That is still the only way that I can get through these videos without coughing and being obnoxious. Alrighty, there's a pouch, and I think there's another one. There we go. Let's see what we've got. In the Civivi pouch. Oh boy! Oh my goodness! Look at this! Excuse me. I'm gonna put myself in a coughing fit just from seeing this. Oh man, this is an oldie but a goodie. I mean, so I can't remember what the name of this is, but he showed me a picture of this, and he was like, "Do you remember this one?" And I was like, "Dude, this is so weird. I have to show it." I'm a big fan of Spyderco knives. Spyderco makes some bizarre stuff, and honestly, looking at Spyderco's past, it's even more bizarre. So, yeah, we're gonna explore this one together, even though it's no longer available. A lot of people ask me, why do you show knives that we can't get sometimes? This channel, if you don't know, produces a ton of weekly content. I literally upload 14 times a week, at least, sometimes more. I try really hard to mix my content up between knives that you can get and interesting knives that you can't get but are still fun for content. You guys know I do the link thing down in the description so you guys can pick up knives that you can buy, and that benefits my channel. If I exclusively did knives you could buy, it would kind of look bad. I don't want to do that, and I'm also not specifically just interested. Like, the content is about what I find interesting. Because if it's interesting, then I have fun with it, and then the content's more enjoyable for you guys, right? So it's a mix of both. If it's available or unavailable, that's hardly the priority. It's, does it interest me? And that's, you know, that's the foundation for the channel. This is interesting, so you can't get it, but I still want to talk about it. This thing is wild. Holy moly, look at that. Is the frame, it must be aluminum, because it doesn't feel that heavy. VG10 and fully serrated, oh boy. Okay. So, I'll at least list the name, maybe, or I'll put the original listing down in the description, even though you can't buy it. And then this, I have no idea what's in here. Let's turn the exposure up. Oh yes, of course. Yeah, now this one you also can't get. This is the Evo Typhoon. The new 2021 Evo Typhoon, but it is the KNP edition with the purple carbon fiber. So this is the harpoon blade with the fuller. This is a weird one. So these were available on pre-order last year and are no longer available. I'll get mine out. So I got one of the ones on pre-order with the Damasteel blades. Hang on, unzipping my case here. I got one of the ones on pre-order with the Damasteel blade. And mine was also a harpoon, but it had the fuller without a cutout. On the standard versions, the standard pre-order versions, the ones that had the cutout, excuse me, were the clip point blades. And then the ones that were full were the harpoons. Well, they switched those for the KNP edition, so they added the purple carbon fiber, and then the harpoons had to open the hole, which is not accessible. It's just a it's just an aesthetic embellishment. And then the clip point versions of these are solid like this. They had some that were, I think, some that were Damasteel, some that weren't. I could be wrong about that. But yeah, the highlight is the purple carbon fiber, which looks really cool. These are so good. And yeah, the only place that you can get these right now is the secondary market. I don't know what they're going to go for. I don't know if people are jacking the price up on them. Obviously, don't go overboard paying too much money for an Evo Typhoon. But If you can get one of these for a reasonable price, I think the original price of the non-Damasteel versions were $350, and the Damasteel versions were about $515. If you can pick one up in good condition for around that price, is it worth it? Oh my God, yes. These are some of the greatest folding knives to ever grace the knife world. They are wonderful, and these are, the KNP editions are going to be super rare. You know, that's just how it's going to be. These are Riot built, and I think this is some of Riot's best work, honestly. If not Riot's greatest. This might be the greatest, you know, build that Riot has ever done. It's amazing. It honestly feels a step up from what Riot is normally making, and that's because the extra element here, beyond the cool design, is the lipped detent system. It's not a traditional ceramic ball. It's a lip of steel, which creates a very unique and very satisfying deployment. Yeah, very cool. Kyle, thank you so much for sending these in. I wish I could link these, but I can't. There's secondary market only for all this stuff. But I figured you guys would find that interesting. Since I haven't done a video on my own Evo Typhoon yet, I thought it might be really cool to do one with both of these. Anyways, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. And I can feel my cough really wanting to surface, so let's go ahead and end it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.